You want to come on there? Come on. Ooh, she got a crunch of a marshmallow. Ooh, she's impressed.
Listen.
I did well. Y'all don't know. That's going in the video because you don't know what it's like to impress a 15-year-old. That's hard, especially that one. No problem. Welcome back, bakers. Welcome to the Fancy Cakery. Welcome to my kitchen. If you are new to my channel, welcome. On my channel, I create and recreate seasonally relevant recipes that you at home can create, recreate, or use for inspiration in your kitchen. If that is something that you are interested in, please like and subscribe. Here in Dallas, it snowed on Sunday past. And when I say snowed, it flurried and a little bit went on the ground for a little while and then it melted away. But it was extremely exciting because I have a special guest in my house today. My mother is here from the Bahamas and this was her first time seeing snow. It was so much fun to watch her. She was so excited. I still really get excited. It is, you take it for granted, and I can't imagine you northerners. I cannot live in it. I wouldn't know what to do with it. I cry when I drive in it, even the little bit that we have. But it was so exciting to see her. So I want to introduce you to my mother. She's gonna say hi. She's nervous. She said that's all she's gonna say. So without further ado, here is my mother. How did you feel about the snow? How did it look? Did it look like what you thought snow looked like when it fell?
When I first saw it coming down, I thought to myself, it's too
So you didn't know
big
it was,
to be
you didn't know it was snowing yet,
raindrops.
right? Because it was iffy if it was gonna snow or just rain.
Right.
So she woke up and
Yeah, and then after about half an hour, then I saw that it was really snow and I really got excited.
isn't it beautiful?
Yeah,
It is beautiful.
Nice.
It is absolutely beautiful. And when you come from a country that you grow up, we sing Walking in a Winter Wonderland, Sleigh Bells Ring. We don't know nothing about snow. We've never seen it. It is be hard. We used to be sweating for Christmas. So when you actually see snow in real life, it's amazing. And I understand now how people feel when they see the beach, our beaches for the first time. When I see the tourists look at the beach, they're like amazed. And I'm like, it's just a beach. Like, cause you know, like it's what we see. But now I understand how they feel. It must be like how we feel when we see snow. It's a wonder of nature. Anything else you gotta say, Patty? Patty's like, get me out of here. Hats off to Patricia Cartwright for coming on my channel. I didn't think I'd get her to do it, but she did it. So let's get into the recipe now. So we are in January, and in January it is after the holidays and it's not Valentine's. There's no major holidays that is very special for baking or being known for parties. So January is very hard to come up with recipes that are seasonally relevant to January. Comment below and tell me what recipes are special to you and your family in your kitchen in January. I would love to hear it. So when coming up with a recipe for January, I was thinking of something cold and I was thinking mint, peppermint, but that's still tying in with Christmas and it was so very hard. And I was thinking s'mores would be really nice. But gee, do I have to make a fire and do s'mores outside and video it? Oh, how am I gonna do this? And then I have a fireplace inside and we tried that once. We sat down with the sticks in the fireplace and one fell in the fireplace and then it was a mess and we smelled like burnt marshmallow for a week. and it's not a good idea. Do not do it. Do not do it. And one fell on the carpet, and that was an utter mess. So just don't, the fire inside don't work. And so if you don't want to make a fire outside, and if you don't want to use your fireplace, but you want s'mores, what can you do? You can make a s'more pie. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna make a s'mores pie. S'mores is basically made out of just 3 ingredients. You have graham crackers, you have chocolate, and then you have marshmallows. So we're gonna start out, we're basically making a graham cracker crust. And this is the same recipe as for making a graham cracker crust for a cheesecake or a graham cracker pumpkin pie. So I'm gonna add melted butter until it resembles coarse sand, basically. You don't want too much, but you want it to hold together its shape. Okay, so we took our pie out of the oven. It's still warm, and then we put the chocolate on. Obviously, there's no other chocolate to use other than Hershey's. That's the only thing that I've ever heard of using s'mores with, so I'm going with it. And I had a choice between mini marshmallows and big marshmallows, but who really puts little baby marshmallows on a little tiny stick and does that? So we're gonna put big marshmallows because that's what you do. And my mother's telling me that I have too much chocolate, and she might be right. But guess what? You know who's eating this? Us. So and Patty. So maybe that's why she don't want all the chocolate on it. Well, I know one of my daughters will like it because she loves chocolate. That's the only thing she will eat. So I'm just gonna cover this with marshmallows. And basically we're gonna put this in the oven. And we are going to put this on at 350 until it's nice and melted. And my marshmallows is gonna have to be golden brown and little burnt at the tips because that's how I like it. So if I have to put the broiler on for a few minutes, I'm gonna do that because I can't have a s'more without a little burnt marshmallow. Just a little piece. I didn't say burn the marshmallow. All right, is that enough? Is that enough, Patricia? Think so? Yeah, there's a gap here. Hold on. Lord, we supposed to be on a diet. It's January. We ain't started our diet yet. We're not starting today, so. Okay, going in, 350. And here we have our s'mores pie. Yes, my mother's reminding me it's gonna be hot. I think so. So let's cut into it and see what we got. It's gonna be a big chunk of pie. Let me cut that in. Oh, it's a mess. Oh Lord.
S'mores are messy.
They are. Well, I don't think it was too much chocolate, Mommy. I think it's just right. And here we have our s'mores pie. I'm gonna take the marshmallow piece that is burnt brown, because that's what I like. And the graham cracker. Ready? I'm not hot. It's a sticky and sweet and tastes just like a s'mores. You don't need a fire. you can make s'mores pie at home in the oven. So this s'mores pie was family approved and delicious. You have to try it. You do not need a fire to make s'mores pie. I don't know how to get out. Like, my goodness.
I don't know
This
how to
crust
get
does
out.
not stand a chance.
That's my bowl.
If you don't got a fire, like y'all in the Bahamas, y'all ain't got no fire. You know you're making no fire. But you can do s'mores at home. So do it. It's
Good.
patties are good.
It's good.